shake it, he'll say make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga, grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your force is yellow and that shit look like your
yeah, we outside again. Remember yesterday, we put the rims on. And today, I am installing the system. So, we're going for a cleaner setup this time. I got everything separated. So, we got the amp going on the back. Screw that down with some self-tap screws here first. We're gonna run that power cord right there through that little gap y'all see. And then the ground is gonna go right here. And there's like a little wheel well right here that has a screw you can take out right about there. And then RCA cables, like the last time, I'm gonna splice them and try to use those wires right there from that speaker to get my feedback. And then the remote wire, we're gonna do the radio fuse, which is RDO. And then after that, it's pretty much everything to have the amp working to power the subwoofer. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So like I said, first give me some long screws and screw that to the back of the box right here. All right, y'all, step one complete. Fucking not going nowhere. So now when I turn the box all the way around, you won't see any wires or nothing. You'll just see straight subwoofer. So now I guess I'll go ahead and run my power and get my ground hooked up and show y'all where that's going. Yeah, as you can see, we got the power ran. Go right there. Yeah, I have to get that attachment side post bolt. It's on the way. Come in the trunk, pull this up right here, and boom, you have bare metal right up under that. Just take one of these screws out, and yep, that's where you put the ground at. It's already bare metal, so you ain't gotta do nothing to it. All right, for this, y'all gonna need a, and you can't see it. Where is it? It's a 7, y'all. This motherfucker all on the opposite side. Get your 7 mil. And just pop that motherfucker out of there like that. Just like that, we got our power ram. And we got our ground. We got an important one. Fucking remote wire. This also goes up there where I ran the power. So I'm gonna put that in and show y'all. There you have it. Yeah, this is going all the way to the fuse box. So make sure you got some good length coming out. And the fuse box is right there. I'll sit that right there for now. Last but not least, RCA cable. I just realized I need another one because the way my knob is set up, I need it. You're gonna want to get you something to cut these off. And the only reason I'm doing it this way is because I'm planning on selling the car. And it's just quicker, and not have to buy a whole new radio just to get rid of it. Get you some wire cutters, not wire cutters, but trimmers, like so, and shave some of this off. So I'm gonna do that. Turn that back in. But this is the wires that you're gonna be connecting to the speaker right there in the back. So we got the positive and negative like any other, speaker or whatever you're trying to hook up. So just connect those and then connect those to the amp. And you have your signal. For this damn speaker to be this fucking big, it's like almost a 10-inch, doesn't it? This shit don't do shit. But yeah, so you see you got your positive and negatives right here. So just wrap them around there, get them real good and tight. And then that'll be it. I'm looking like, what the fuck? This shit kind of big. Okay, I see y'all. With the little bowl system in the back. Yeah, now flat ass subwoofer. All right, easy as that. And how you know that which one is negative and positive? This wire right here is double colored. I can't see it right now because my phone acted up. And then the tan one is not. So the one that has two colors on it is always the negative. And then as you can see, I ran it behind the plastic, down out right here. So there's nothing dangling right there, you know what I'm saying? All right, we went with the ignition switch. So when I turn my ignition on, the amp turns on. Go ahead and close this board back up, like so. Still gotta go get the, well, somebody's supposed to be bringing me my new battery terminal. So it'll have an attachment. So just go on the back with a bolt. Just called my local Napa auto parts store and they said they don't have what I need. Sucks, cause it's the only fucking auto parts store out here. So I'm screwed on that. So we gotta go into town or have somebody bring it out here when they come and get lit. So now it's just putting all this shit back on, not back on, but hooking all this shit up to the amp on the subwoofer. And hooking the subwoofer up to the amp. And then we'll be done until we get that piece so I can actually connect the power to the amp from the battery. Everything connected. Now I just gotta put it in there and make it look pretty. And there we have it. So I still gotta get another RCA cable for my bass knob. And I still gotta get that one bolt for my positive. So once that's all done, well, once I go get it, I guess I'll check y'all back in, and then we'll get a test of the sound and everything like that. All right, y'all. So cut me some rubber off so the bolt will fit. Now I'm putting on my power cord, and then you just screw it down with the nut. You have there a secure connection. All right, y'all, we finally got power. Yeah, so I couldn't find a fuse location that would cut off with the car for some reason. So I took my remote wire, added it to a switch. As you see, my amp is right there. No lights. Come back, hit the switch. And we got power. So that's how I tackled that situation.
nigga said make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your forces yellow and that shit look like your teeth.